What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. We have a whole block of news coming out at 7:30 with the focus on GDP and PCE. We have crude news at 9:30, and we have some Fed speakers speaking after London close. Now, it's never recommended to trade during major news releases, but if you choose to trade during these volatile times, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. Now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And soon as the session opened, the bears pushed price lower, finding support at the top of this trading range before retesting this high. And if you hadn't noticed, we've tested this area 3 times, and it seemed like this is going to be a 4th time testing the bottom of this trading range. My prediction, right now price is hovering right at resistance. We have equal highs all at the bottom of this range. I'm looking for the bulls to break out. And if the bears do come in and hold off this line, I believe they can only get it down somewhere in this trading area where the bulls will come in full force and push price higher, breaking these highs. So this is what I'm looking for. So 1855, around yesterday's high, I believe we're going to see some initial resistance. Once we get a stop run above these highs, I see price at least pushing to 55 and shooting up higher to at least 1892 and possibly finding resistance here around 18,115. We had some crazy low volume price action. We got major news coming out around 7:30. So these levels are just levels to look out for. If I see reaction that I want to see after the news come out and price has not traded through this level or trade past this level, once the news release, this is when I will start to consider these levels. Because obviously we know that during major news release, technical analysis does not hold up. I do not plan on trading them unless I see the reaction I want to see. With that said, now let's jump into a CL chart. Now this is a CL chart, and this is the area that we talked about during last night's NA meeting. And you can see price finding support at the top of this range. I was looking for entry at 77 cents or $77.08, but the bulls found support around this level and price continued to push higher, finding resistance initially at these levels right here and actually breaking it. But right now, price is in supply. I do believe that we may get a pullback. And if we do get a pullback, I'm looking to see if price will actually get to these levels right here or possibly rebalancing future structure. CL is still in an uptrend, even though the price action suggests that price doesn't know where it wants to go. So for right now, the market structure is bullish. We don't know how far of a pullback the bears is going to get. This may continue higher, but if price does continue down, this area, I will still be looking at this area. I'll be still looking for this area for the bulls to come back in and possibly push price going further. But remember, this is just a game plan. We don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tells the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I'm currently up 20K in this account, and these are the trades that I took today. Now I'm starting to think that maybe my trades are being recorded wrong, because I did not lose $1,300 in micros and I dang sure did not lose this. So I wonder if my trades are being recorded wrong, but I am ending the day at $4,900. Now, if you caught today's stream, I did get some revenge trades towards the end. I did have 2 losing trades. I only had 2 losing positions, so because I was looking for stops to get ran as support, but before that happened, I got stopped out. And once I saw what I wanted to see, I did switch to minis and I did revenge trade in the account. It's frustrating to see you get stopped out of a position before it worked. You're getting at a good level and stops get ran, and you become a part of that stop run just to see it find support and moving towards the direction that you wanted to trade in. So I did revenge trade. I got my revenge on the market, but we're gonna come back strong tomorrow. But that's all I have. If you are enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.